Debt ceiling crisis, impending doom. It's about as dramatic as I can make it. Welcome to Modern Moneymakers. This is Jeremy, and according to Janet Yellen, by June 5th, we could run out of money. I guess you could say she's yelling from the mountaintops. You're welcome. Let's get into it. So here's the article here, and again, they're quoting June 5th as the date that the United States will not be able to pay its bills. So let's see how the charts are reacting to this news here, and not good, as you can see this week with the markets getting a little spooked out. And one other thing I want to hit while we're on this chart is we covered recently the head and shoulders pattern. You've got your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and when you break below this neckline, if you fall below it, the technical target is 23K. However, we have some high volume here, pretty close to 25K, that may save us from going all the way down there. But that being said, we're well under the neckline. We've got a couple of daily closes under the neckline, and I would say we're going lower from here, which is good news for those of us that like discounts. So why might I be excited about this? Well, I like getting buying in the red for one. And let's share some bullish news here. So Hong Kong is going to allow some retail investors to start purchasing crypto on June 1st. I also think the debt ceiling thing should get resolved by then. So here's like a double positive. And with a lot of money coming in from Hong Kong here starting in June, I think that's going to be very, very bullish for the markets. Now, the question is, what will they be allowed to buy? Glad you asked. Here, let's take a look at the coins. Besides Bitcoin, obviously, they'll be allowed to buy. And there's some other interesting ones on this list. A couple of favorites of the channel here. We've got Ethereum, we've got Cardano, we've got Polygon, Avalanche. I felt like I missed out on a lot of the Avalanche pump last time. Solana's one I've been playing around with just to mint some cheap NFTs, just to kind of go through the process. Not necessarily saying that Solana is the way to go or anything, but there's some others on the list. Not so big on Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin, but they may see a pump out of this as well. But when Hong Kong starts entering the market with retail, on June 1st, we'll see some of that money rolling in. And if the debt ceiling is resolved around the same time, again, not financial advice, but I would expect some upward price action from there. Probably go down first over the weekend before we see that, though. So I'll be looking to get some of these projects at a discount. More bullish news. This was announced recently that MetaMask and PayPal, you've got options, it sounds like, to be able to buy Ethereum using PayPal from MetaMask. I haven't actually tried this yet, but that's pretty cool. And obviously bullish, great for crypto, great for the industry. You've been able to transfer crypto out of PayPal to external wallets for a while now, but guess who else got on board in the last month? You're right, Venmo, the other big payment app. So you can now transfer out of Venmo into external crypto wallets. Again, this is very good news to see continuing integrations there. And that's it for the bullish news. So I'd like to get a discount when this head and shoulders breaks down, like it likely will. Buy things at a discount, buy some of those coins that Hong Kong will be allowed to buy soon if you can get in before them and the price pumps. It could be something that you're looking to hold a little longer term, or it could be something that you look to exit when they get in. That's up to you, not financial advice. And as promised, I am going to mint a cheap NFT here live on the stream. Minting NFTs is kind of a vague term in my opinion. You can literally create content and then mint it to the blockchain yourself and pay the gas fees. Or you can find projects that have not minted out and select or mint an NFT. And what you're essentially doing is minting that to the blockchain, and the purchaser, you pay the gas fees. And I've been looking around for really cheap projects. These are as close to free as you're going to get in the crypto world. And I've got a wallet with a very small amount of Solana in it. So let's just go ahead and mint one. We're going to be at 0.08 Solana, which is not much at all. We'll figure out the math on that, I presume. But anyways, the mint was success on Solana. So let's just go ahead and drop down my Solana wallet here. We're going to go ahead and it might be just out of frame. I'll see if I can drag it in here. Give me one moment here to see if I can. Let's actually a different source. I'd have to do a different source to see it, unfortunately. I wonder if I can do that quickly. Let's add a source. Doing this on the fly using OBS here. Bear with me. We're going to add a source here and window capture. Window capture too. Okay, that's fine. Let's go over here. It's going to be a pop out on Chrome, I assume. It's going to be my Phantom wallet. Maybe this is showing now. Maybe not. I really wish it just popped into the main screen here so you could see it. I'm going to give this one more try before I give up on it. I'd like to share this with you live on the channel here. That's Edge. That's this. Interesting that I can't really share that. Oh. What do you know? I can't see it here, but I suppose there's another way to do this. So if I were to go into my wallet and go to my account, go to my address here, and open that in Solana Scan. I need to make this easier. It's so much easier in MetaMask to do this. I like MetaMask better. And this is pretty much already a fail on showing this. I'm just going to open a new tab. We will show you this one way or another here. And we are going to go here, look at this wallet, SPL transfers, token accounts. Here we are, cheap degens. It's going to be one of these. Here it is. This is the transfer. This is the token, I presume. Will you show it to me now? There it is. So that is what I meant. That's what I see actually when I come over here and look at my wallet. So you got to see a little live troubleshooting on the air. That's always fun. Yeah, that is the one when I look at my wallet, which you can't see because that little fly out doesn't appear to you. But what we can see here is that this is a royalty of 2.5%, Legends of Steady Stack, marketplaces are OpenSea or Magic Eden. We can see, yeah, those various details about it. My SOL balance, there's not much Solana there. Limit transaction, yeah, the transactions itself here. We'll look, and it was 3 minutes ago. Yeah, my fee was point some zeros and a 5 SOL. It was very cheap. Yeah, balance before 2.09, balance after 2.09. Very, very cheap transaction. Again, I think it was 0.09 ETH or something, or Solana, something ridiculous like that. Oh, 0.08 SOL. So let's look at the price of SOL today. Solana price. CoinMarketCap. So 1945, and if I go 1945 times 0.08, what did that cost me? $1.56. Definitely a cheap NFT. If you hung with me, I'm not going to mint this one, I just minted one. If you hung with me through this, thank you very much for sticking around for the troubleshooting. Glad I could show you my fancy new NFT here. And we'll just call it quits on this page. We'll view the original here, and there's my NFT that I bought for under $2. It's in my wallet. Do I think this is going anywhere, you know, in terms of price? No. Just, again, showing you briefly how to mint an NFT here live on the channel, including troubleshooting. I'm going to leave all that in there so you can see how I navigated around that. And at this point, I just want to thank you for stopping by the channel. I do appreciate you. If you've got some cheap NFTs that you like, drop them in the comments down below. Are you going to be buying some of these coins that Hong Kong retail will be allowed to buy starting June 1st? If so, what